Hello everyone, it's me. Welcome back to another video, and today we have something super special. Today we're diving into those tricky social situations that leave many of us feeling tongue-tied or unsure how to respond. You know those moments when you wish you had a script handy, but secretly we all do. It's all about mastering greetings in English. Now we're going to tackle 3 common situations, decode some sneaky language, and help you avoid falling into the same communication pitfalls. Let's start with a quick warm-up. Do you remember our trick from last week? If not, review the video and come back to this one. All right, let's see if you remember. I'm sure you do. What would you say to someone if you completely forgot their name? Pause the video here if you want to make a guess. So, Sarah, it's on the tip of my tongue. I'm so sorry. Let's try again. John, it's on the tip of my tongue. I'm so sorry. Let's try again. It's Jane. No, Jenny, it's on the tip of my tongue. I'm so sorry. Pause the video here if you want to make a guess. Yes, that's right. I'm so sorry. Your name is just on the tip of my tongue. By expressing regret and indicating that you've genuinely forgotten, you can buy some time to think. Then you can either try to remember or politely change the subject. It's better than pretending you never knew their name in the first place. Okay, moving on. Let's take a look at our next scenario. You're at work, and your boss makes an inappropriate joke. How would you respond? Pause the video here if you want to make a guess. Well, you could try laughing it off, but that might send the wrong message. Or you could directly tell your boss it's not funny. That might cause tension. So how about this? That's an interesting perspective. Let's talk about the new project deadlines. By acknowledging their statement and immediately shifting to a work-related topic, you can steer the conversation in a more professional direction without causing unnecessary conflict. All right, final scenario. A friend invites you to a party you really don't want to go to. How would you respond? Pause the video here if you want to make a guess. Well, one way is just to say no. That's honest, but maybe a bit abrupt. Or you could make up an excuse. That's dishonest and could lead to more complications. So what's the solution? Thank you so much for thinking of me, but I'm unable to make it this time. By expressing gratitude and regret, you show respect for your friend's invitation. Then, briefly state your unavailability without making a fuss. Great job! Now it's your turn to shine. We've got a quick pop quiz. Check your understanding of today's lesson by answering these multiple choice questions. Hey, love this video so far? Why not show us some love back by hitting that thumbs up button and subscribing for more? It's a small gesture that means a lot and helps us keep bringing the awesome content. Thanks for being here. Now let's get back to learning. In the comments section below, share a tricky social situation you'd like to improve on. Remember, the more specific you are, the better. For example, instead of saying correcting someone, write correcting a colleague who mispronounces your name. Then vote in our interactive poll to see which situation other learners find most challenging. We'll use your responses to create future episodes tailored to your needs. And finally, here's your comment challenge. Think of a time you faced a tricky social situation in English and share your experience along with the outcome in the comments below. We're eager to hear your stories. Navigating tricky social situations in English doesn't have to be daunting. With the right mindset and the right tools, you'll be well equipped to tackle those awkward moments with confidence and grace. Remember, every step counts, so keep practicing and challenging yourself to embrace the power of clear communication in English.